Hello everyone, I am Hema Sati Sharma, TGT Science from Pratap World School, Pathankot. Students, we are discussing the chapter called Weather, Climate and Adaptation of Animals to Climate for Class 7, and we have already discussed weather, elements of weather, meteorology and meteorologist. So today we will be discussing what is weather forecast. So as the name suggests, weather forecast means forecasting of weather in advance so that we can understand how will be the weather in coming days. So as much information as possible is gathered about the current weather and the state of the atmosphere by the meteorologist in meteorological department. The observations such as change in temperature, change in pattern of pressure, humidity and wind speed are collected from across the globe and then fed into powerful supercomputers. The weather forecast is based on the data which is collected by weather balloons, satellite photographs of the cloud formation. So meteorologists in meteorological departments collect all the data through different data resources like weather balloons, satellites, etc. And then they feed that data in the powerful supercomputers, and these supercomputers then tell how is the weather going to be in future. So whenever you have seen a weather report, which is generally published in newspapers or told in radios and television, they tell us that about the rain and the maximum and minimum temperature of that day in that particular area. For example, in this weather forecast, you can see the 3-day weather forecast is being given in advance. So the weather forecast about today is given, next day Friday is given, and the Saturday is given. So here in this weather forecast you can see that rain and thunderstorms are likely, and the maximum temperature which is likely is 21 degrees Celsius and minimum is 14 degrees Celsius. Similarly, today only in south region the weather will be hot, dry and sunny, and the maximum temperature will be 33 degrees Celsius and minimum will be 14 degrees Celsius. So similarly you can observe the weather forecast on Friday and Saturday in north and south region respectively. So the purpose of weather forecast is to provide an accurate as possible prediction of what the weather will be like in the near future. The weather forecast is very important because the people who do jobs like aviation, the people like fishermen who go for boating or other modes of transportation, for farming, for tourism, for sports, weather forecast is very important. So this weather forecast prepare us for the weather of the next day, or it prepare us for the bad weather. Now the question is, how do changes in weather occur? Any change in the weather of a place on the earth is because of the sun. Because the sun radiates large amount of heat and light energy on the earth, it affects the formation of winds and it affects the phenomena of rainfall. Therefore, the change in season and the change in weather occurs because of sun. Why days are shorter in the winter season? As we know that earth spins on its axis around the sun, hence the amount of sunlight a place in the earth on the earth receives varies throughout the year, as the position of earth keeps changing with respect to sun, and the position of the place also changes because of the rotation of the earth. So the amount of light which is received by a place changes according to the change in position of earth with respect to the sun, and the change of place according to the rotation on its own axis. This also leads to change in the season of a place. like for example in the summer season, the position of the place is closer to the sun and hence it receives sunlight for longer hours. While in the winter season, the position of a place on the earth is farther to the sun. It is far away from the sun and hence it receives lesser sunlight for shorter hours. So it leads to, when the sunlight is received for longer hours, it is warm and it is called summer season, and when it receives sunlight for shorter hours, it becomes cold and the season is termed as winter season. So we'll be studying about instruments which are used to measure components of weather in our next class. Thank you so much.